Hey everybody, I'm Jesse. This is Lily. Jonah's over there. This is Bricks of Happiness. Come on in, we'll take a look.
Oh, I stuck to the door.
No, it stays.
No worries. So we have an emergency row here, seat that we pulled out of our bus that we put back in that flips down so that they can ride right up front.
This is where I sit. Jonah sits here. The pets are at our feet. We have a board that goes down right there so that it actually turns into a floor so my feet aren't dangling.
I work full-time online, luckily, so we can travel. So my desk set up. Actually getting ready to tear part of this out and put in a wood stove, and I'm moving my computers up front. Our couch. Everybody has to have a couch, right?
Which is memory foam cushions from Zenith mattress, not a plug. Actually a really great cheap mattress. And then back here...
Oh, it's a mess. Don't show that.
This is our electrical cabinet. So all of our solar and fuses and circuits and controls and all of that is down here. Underneath is the inverter, which has its dedicated seat, and it's vented through here so that it stays nice and cool. And then on that side, in both the back and the seat, are both storage. So we put our chairs and paperwork and all sorts of stuff in there.
Full IKEA kitchen. I'm not a builder. I can build, but I'm not a builder. So we IKEA hacked our kitchen, and it's our favorite part of our bus. It's incredible. We have so much storage. We got our sink, our big Kraus sink, and if I'm saying that right, and our faucet at auction and paid less than $100 for both of them.
Yes.
Check out the auctions.
The
They're
big
wonderful.
Sink, people really love our sink, I guess, because there's room for dirty dishes, so you're not feeling like you have to do them every 5 minutes. And the countertop's also from IKEA, the Butcher Black. If I had it to do differently, I would have sanded it and epoxied it, because as it is now, I have to clean it and oil it quite frequently to keep it conditioned. So I think I would have just epoxied it. Full-size fridge.
Yeah,
Also,
full-size apartment fridge. So we have lots of room. Regular RV stove. That's the best
we love
oven
this
stove combo we've ever had.
Yeah.
Houses included. We absolutely love it.
3 or 4 burner?
4 burner.
4 burner, yeah.
Yeah, 4 burner.
Yeah.
We only ever use like the dirty one.
Yeah, we use the back left one. That's about it. Our bunks for the kiddos. I have 2 daughters that aren't with us all the time, but have room for people. And then I cut that little teardrop out of there so that I can drop my sunglasses. So I can stick my head and go, "Hey, wake up!" So my teenager has to wake up. She loves it.
Oh yeah, I'm sure.
Jonah's bunk is down here, which he doesn't currently use. He sleeps in the loft in the back most of the time. But they got their LED lights and reading light, all that good stuff. There's a curtain track so that you can put up a curtain, have privacy. Storage on the side.
Yep.
EcoTemp I-12 low flow liquid propane hot water heater. We absolutely love it. It's incredible. The shower, unfortunately, if you follow us at all, you know the story, but the bus has broken a couple times and we can't finish it. So currently it's just storage, but the floor dropped 6 inches. The whole shower floor is going to be like a slatted wet bath. It's going to be able to go outside and be able to put the shower head on the door. And do whatever you need outside and then come in the bus. Full-size king-size bed back here. Also Zenith. Once again, not a plug, we just love it. Best mattresses we've ever had. We're a rear engine bus, so that's the engine cover back there. And that's what we call the loft or the study, or whatever cheeky name we want to put with it. But that's where Jonah sleeps a good part of the time. He's right behind us. It's nice and cozy, and he's still small enough that we can do that. Underneath, this lifts up, and we have full storage underneath. Oops, sorry, give me a shot there. Full storage underneath the bed. Mari's apartment. It's pretty great. I have to redo the wiring and stuff. I threw lights in there so we had it, and Mari wakes up in the middle of the night and waddles around and shakes, and she tore it up. She can't have nice things. Up here is our rooftop deck. We have some fake grass up there, and we go up there and hang out and store stuff, and it's a wonderful place to check out a sunset.
This is my version of a drone shot.
Yeah, it's good. I like it. And I think that's about it for the inside. The curtain tracks, cool curtain tracks. These are out of from Airstream. They're made for Airstreams, so they just screw right in. They're real thin. You can actually clip them and bend them too to like go up over a curve if you want. So that's great. Our ceiling is from antiqueceilingtiles.com. They're foam, which is good and bad. They were light, they were cheap, they were easy to put up, but unfortunately they get messed up pretty easy too. So, like the cat climbed up onto the roof rack and scratched it all up, but we still love it. The best part is they're cheap, so you can just pull it off and slap a new one on and call it good. They came white, but we painted over them too. And hopefully one of these days we'll be able to give you guys a good update with the actual finished bus, with everything trimmed out and the shower done and...
We all have that fantasy.
Right.
Buses are never done.
Yeah, you know, I might just get another one, do a roof raise, and start over.
I hear laughter from behind me. Oh, thank you.
For sure.
I hope you enjoyed the tour of this week's rig, and join us again next Saturday for another episode.